hotter than blazes out here, and well, yeah, figures, right? Shame on me, or I'm feeling really strong, right? I know I'm smelling really strong. It's really it's blazing hot out here, and I should get that water out of the sunlight there. Shit, it's already kind of warm. What are you gonna do? I know it makes chicken sandwich wrappers drive people crazy. Maybe it makes people hungry. I don't know. Your place is a pigsty. Yes, 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 it is. Yes, I agree. Seems like you have no intention of cleaning it up. Okay, I go and clean it up, and then what? It doesn't. You can turn it all in. I know that. It does. It just keeps. New stuff comes in and stuff goes out. Okay. The junkyard is closed over 100 hours a week. They are open about 60 hours per week. What do you do with the stuff that you find those other 100 hours out of the week? What? Never mind. Anyway, this person commented, and hey, I actually believe everything they said. Honest to God, I'm like total agreement with it. Actually, I'm not being sarcastic. This is a pool heater. You guys wanted to see me take apart. Anyway, my question was, yeah, the female audience only makes up, well, they make up more than half the population, but they only make up about 8% of my channel subscribers. So, there's no wonder here where I'm missing views and revenue and all that other YouTube, mechanics, right? Yeah. Oh, it's your thumbnail. Oh, it's that's all little bits. Yes. But the female audience isn't there. And that's the big factor right there. That's huge. So anyway, the place is a pigsty. So that was one reason why women don't come to the channel. And two, my God, look how dirty all this is. I am always gnarly looking and filthy dirty. Yes, I am dark skinned. Okay, people speak to me when they see me. They don't hear me talking. They start speaking to me in Spanish, like I'm from south of the border or something. Like I'm a minority. Okay, that's fine. I understand that. I'm out in the sun all day, So I'm not like that hibernating white guy, that's like inside the house with his pants around his ankles, playing video games or whatever. I'm outside, I'm sweating, there's no air conditioning. So this dirty job, I know, there's that Mike Rowe guy, dirty jobs. Yeah, well, okay. Yeah, he is doing a dirty job, but He's a TV personality. He'll do something like that, you know, like on the video. Or like swing the hammer a few times. Sure, he actually is a real guy and can actually do real work like that, but they're not going to have him, they're not going to show him all like super filthy. Oh, there's no laundering or showering or hygiene facilities around here to, like, you know, every 2 hours go and shower up and clean up, and before I make a YouTube video I can go and micro scrap. Okay. Well, I'm not going to get too dirty doing that, right? You are going to get dirty picking other people's trash. I mean, actually really picking other people's trash. And actually getting down and dirty with it. Well, that doesn't sound right. Getting down and dirty with your garbage. That's a little creepy. Okay. Well, you know what I mean. Yeah, a lot of close contact with it. Suddenly the video got dark. There you go. Actually, you have to turn the camera off or the phone and then start it back up again when it goes dark like that, because does that AF lock thing. See, the tips of my fingernails and stuff are worn out, and they're worn down to the point where when I go and tap on the screen doesn't respond very well. I have to use my pinky to type. So there's occasional misspellings when I'm texting. Or I have to, they're like nano handicaps, we'll call them. So yeah, I've always been really dirty like that, because, you know, like working on cars or I'm working outside. I'm not your generic weenie husband that's like, oh, I'm afraid to get dirty. But, oh, you know what I mean? So I'm rolling around to the filth. The place is a pigsty. So that's killing my channel. What else? What else did she say? I'm dirty. I'm dirty. Yes, look at me. I'm very dirty. I'm sweaty too. It's hot out. 94 degrees. No air conditioning. I'm sweating like I smell like, actually, my sweat smells so bad right now. It smells like vinegar, actually. Which I can't stand the smell of vinegar. I can't stand it. So imagine how strangers must feel. It's just a YouTube video, so if you don't have to watch it, don't watch it. But I consider that critiquing advice probably some of the best knowledge that I've ever been given. So, what do you do to overcome it? Well, I guess you have to make videos where I'm really clean. So that would be Scrap Kingdom, Scrap Life 24/7, doing micro scrapping or something inside an air-conditioned house, picking apart like I don't know, a printer. Let's see what's inside a printer. Who gives a F what's inside the printer? I don't care. It's about survival. Doesn't look like you're doing a good job surviving. Nope. I'm getting an F in that. That won't come off. Whatever this thing is. Running out of gig space, have to compress this stuff. Alright, so plenty more screws to take apart here. Haven't run out yet. Alright, dude. No shortage of screws. Look at that big spider right there. What kind of spider is that? Those are all screws there. There's one right there. On a side panel here. Oh yeah, I'm always making fun of my town to that. That's the other thing that this lady said. She's like, if you don't like it, why don't you move? If I had the means and the ability. Nope, that's stripped out. If I had the means and the ability, I'd be gone. But we're stuck here. Stuck here until the house gets paid off. Pretty much. Oh, that thing's like bolted on the bottom even. This thing's built like a tank. There's a lot to this stupid thing. Oh boy. Lazy but hard working. That should do it. I don't know if that stuff's asbestos or what, but it doesn't look good. You know what I mean? I don't like it. Something doesn't seem kosher about it. I don't know what. That's a considerable amount of copper. Hear the thud? I mean, there's iron way down there too, so. Ow. That hurt. The rest is just shred. My job could be harder. I could be working on that cell tower over there. Look at that. Look how they're dragging that piece up there. That's nothing compared to like what I'm doing is nothing compared to that. Oh, it looks like they're lowering it. Alright, anywho, that's a tough job, man. Anyway, I stopped over by there and I was asking him, like, what do they make? He's like, oh, not enough. I'm like, no, seriously. He's like, well, I make $120 an hour. I guess that was the supervisor, though. He don't climb up there no more. So, yeah, I don't do heights any more than a couple of stairs. So you ain't no way you're gonna get me up there. That thing is like swaying back and forth like that. Anyway, I'm gonna take this hammer. Yeah, the one guy up there was saying the birds bother you. You know, because they nest up there. Okay, there's 9 of these. You know, each one feels like weighs about 2.5 pounds. So 9 times 2 is about 20 pounds worth of copper in there. So that's about $40. About 40 bucks worth of copper. And then you got the rest to shred. It's another $5 or so. So the pool heater like that, about $45 to $50. You better drink some water. My God, I took a couple of gallons with me. How much more do you want to make this camel drink? You're breathing hard. Take it easy in the heat. You are getting older. There you go. That's what was inside.